Love Island's Camilla Thurlow and Jamie Jewitt, who found love on the show in 2017, have welcomed their second child, a baby girl. The loved-up couple welcomed their second daughter Nora early, and shared the announcement on social media on Saturday evening, May 28. Taking to Instagram to share a sweet video announcing the birth, the couple penned in a joint Instagram post, "Our beautiful early bird Nora Jewitt, born 27th of May 2022, a sister for our gorgeous little Nell Sophia." Fans were quick to flood the couple with well wishes and sweet messages. One took to the comments section and said, "This is by far my favorite Love Island story. Congratulations to you all." The Love Island stars, who tied the knot last year after finding love on the reality series in 2017, announced that they were expecting a second child on Instagram back in December 2021. They shared a sweet video of the couple with their eldest daughter Nell preparing their home for Christmas. Alongside the clip they penned, "We had an early gift this year and we couldn't be more grateful. 3 soon to be 4, June 2022. Jamie and Camilla have been one of the most successful couples to come out of Love Island relationship-wise. Back in 2017 while on the show, they made it all the way to the final, but sadly didn't win. They were runners-up to winners and fan favorites Kim Sedney and Amber Davis. Although they didn't win the show, they won in many other ways as they have remained the only couple from the third series to have stayed together. We'll be bringing you the latest updates on this breaking showbiz news story. Please check back regularly for updates on this developing story here. Get email updates on the day's biggest stories straight to your inbox by signing up for our newsletters. Get all the big headlines, pictures, analysis, opinion and video on the stories that matter to you by following the Mirror every time you see our name. Follow the Mirror on Google News. Click here and click the star. Follow the Mirror on Apple News. Click here, available on Apple devices. Follow the Mirror on Flipboard. Click here and click follow. You can sign up for Twitter alerts for breaking news here at @mirrorbreaking_ and follow us at Mirror Celeb for all the latest updates. Keep up to date with your must-see news, features, videos and pictures throughout the day by following us on Facebook at facebook.com/mirrorceleb. See all our social accounts you can follow here, mirror.co.uk/social. Web celebs at mirror.co.uk or call us direct at 0207 29 33 033.